So privileged to be here on this stage, and I pay my respects to the distinguished guests over here. And I'm very pleased to know the kind of activity that a doctoress is doing as a part of my preparation for the civil services examination. So I have got to know few important aspects related to the environment. So I want to touch few of the aspects which already many of the experts over here already know. So the first one is the plastic pollution. As we all know, this year's theme is about the plastic pollution. Beat plastic pollution is the theme of this year's World Environment Day. And I'll just brief you about a small incident which is in practice back at our home. So even before I came to know about the amount of plastic pollution, there is one woman in our home who is very concerned about the Mother Earth. She is my mother, and there is a hithoto practice in our home that whoever brings a plastic package from outside has to pay a fine. So this is a practice in our home initiated by my mother, even when I have no idea about the plastic pollution at all. So growing up studying the environmental issues, so our Honorable Prime Minister has also started the Mission Life, which is lifestyle for environment. And the practice at our home perfectly aligns with this mission that individual and people-centric activities can go a long way in saving our environment. So this is the first aspect I want to brief about. And the second one is the increasing threat to humanity, that is the rise in antimicrobial resistance. Many of the doctors and experts over here are already well known of this very fact of how each year we are facing a lot of issues regarding AMR. And India faces a lot of burden regarding the tuberculosis. We have a lot of patients across the world, and thus makes our country the leading country which is facing a lot of burden of tuberculosis. We have multiple drug-resistant medicines for tuberculosis, and the risk is never ending. And for this aspect, I want to touch upon the concept called One Health. We are facing the risk of zoonotic diseases each year. The world has actually faced a serious pandemic, and the threat is looming year after year. So this is where we have to think about the concept of One Health. It's not just about human health, it's about the synergy between plant health, animal health, and human health. So that is how we are going to tackle this looming threat to humanity.